Most of us wouldn't want to relive middle school or puberty, but feeling 25 again sounds like a great goal, especially if it means sleeping better and having more energy and losing some weight.
Yeah, you know, as we all get older, it's not our fault. Our bodies aren't the same as they once were, but that doesn't mean we cannot do something about it. Lisa Enenbach says reaching your optimal hormone levels safely and quickly is the key. Hello, Lisa. Welcome back.
Hello. Thanks for having me.
That's what this really keys in, though, is hormones. As we age, your body just sort of...
Well, your hormone levels go
slumps.
down, and like you said, there's nothing that you can do about it. And people are so used to being told, oh my gosh, you're just getting old, that's just the way you should feel. No, you can feel good. You can have energy. You can sleep through the night. You can lose weight. Your metabolism can get better. You want to do all these things. You want to look good for your partner. You want to play the good golf game. Maybe you want to do some basketball or watch some basketball and not be, you know, you want to do things in life as you age. You have kids, you have grandkids that you're running around with. We just got back from South Carolina visiting our son. And yes, I had the energy to keep up with those college kids. And I do feel like it's because of my hormones. And again, there's nothing you could do. You could eat right, you could work out, you could do everything. Your doctor doesn't have time for you. They're not hormone specialists. They just say, oh, you're just getting old. That's the way, that's what's going to happen. But if you get those hormones back, you get that energy back. You're able to play that golf game. You're able to tennis, whatever it is that you want to do, whatever activity you want to do, you'll have the energy for. And your metabolism probably improves as well.
Okay, so Terry stayed up for the last 4 days. He's watching NCAA basketball games,
yes.
And he's exhausted. But I mean, how do you know whether it's, okay, I just kind of did something a little out of my character?
Yeah, there is your part. You do have to do your part.
Yes.
You do have to, get some sleep. But, again, most people, they're either not sleeping through the night or they're getting to bed. If they get to bed too late, that is a little bit different. But your hormone levels are low. I can tell you, if you're 35, you probably need us. If you're 40, you definitely do. You only have about half of what you had when you were 25. Well, a regular physician will look at your levels and say, oh, those are just normal for your age. What we do is make them optimal, and people start to see the results. My gosh, I can lose weight. I can look good for my partner. I can, maybe you're on the dating scene again, and you want to look good. These are the type of things that people want out of life, to be able to do these activities. I was hearing earlier an 80-year-old talking about doing yoga and Pilates. I mean, she wants to continue to do those things. Well, how do you do that? You have what you had when you were younger. Your body isn't going to do it. You do maintenance on your home and your car. Why not on your body? It's the same thing.
What about the process? I mean, does this take a month? Does this take a year? What do you want people to invest time-wise?
It's really easy. You come in and you have some labs drawn, and now the consults are free. Come about a week later, and you get 3 pages of labs. You get an education. You get an hour. I'm glad that you mentioned that, because most people get 5 to 7 minutes in their doctor's office,
yes.
And that's after they've waited 30 minutes to an hour in the waiting room.
Or 2 hours.
Right. Well, and it's not, I'm not bashing. It's not their fault. They've got to see 60, 70 people a day. We see maybe 7 or 8. We have that time. And guess what? Your next appointment, you schedule as much time as you need and want. Some people feel the results right away, usually men. Women can take a little bit longer. We got a little bit more going on. But, it's all individualized. Everything that we do is individualized. And we're going to take care of you, and we're going to spend that time, and we're going to listen. You say, oh, I'm tired, I don't feel good, I don't feel like playing with my kids. Usually they're writing out an antidepressant. Well, your body didn't make an antidepressant, but it made progesterone. It made testosterone. That's both for men and women, believe it or not. It made everything. We're giving you back what was in your body at the level that you had when you were younger.
Oftentimes, too, you go to the doctor, and then they say, I'll see you in 4 or 5 months, but you can reschedule people
you
faster.
Continue to
as
see.
many times as they need. I mean, it's absolutely individualized. Some people come 2 or 3 times a year. Some people come every month. Some people come once a week if they need to. Again, we're going to work with you and tweak everything until we get it right.
Can we take a second to say happy birthday to your husband?
Yes, happy birthday to my husband. He's 25 again.
He's 25 again, of course he is. And I mean, we'd be remiss not to mention Tony Vanetti, who, sings your praises wherever he goes.
We were just talking about that. I mean, Tony isn't someone that would just say it just to say it. I mean,
No,
you can see the energy. You got the results. Tony came in and said, I don't need this. I'm going to donate testosterone. And I always laugh about that, because I'm like, Tony, your levels are going to be low, and his jaw literally dropped. He thought he was fine. Most people do. Even if you think you feel okay, come check it out. I mean, what do you have to lose, especially now that it's free? You spend an hour with a nurse practitioner or a physician. Can't beat that.
We appreciate it. To take that free hormone optimization survey online, just visit 25again.com, or you can call 1-866-420-9260 to start this week and schedule your consultation.
The website has a list of all the 25 Again locations throughout Kentucky, and we're coming right back with more Great Day Live. Thank you, Lisa.
Thanks, guys.